Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your orders history on Robinhood. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to see what orders they've placed in the previous months. How do you actually pull that up on Robinhood? Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that you're first going to go into your Robinhood app. And then on this page here, you want to click on the icon that looks like a person on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, from this page here, you want to click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says history activity across all accounts. Now we're almost done, guys. Right now you see the history. On my case, it just happens to be dividends being paid out. But in your case, if you've placed orders within the past 30 days, it's going to appear here. Now keep in mind, you can also filter out your transfers or dividends if you only want to see your orders history. And the way to do that is that you just click on orders, and then there you have it. Now you can see all the orders that you've made on your Robinhood account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your orders history on Robinhood. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.